My name is Daniel Crucier. I'm from Carbonneau Groupe, the Director of Operation. We are a welding shop, and we bought the Siegmund tables and railing system mainly because after experiencing with the table a 30% gain in the assembly time and the increased quality of the product due to the squareness, we really decided to move on with these rails, which is 60 feet by 20 feet rail system with 18 tables. So we will be making a few huge parts on those in the next few weeks. So it's really an improvement for us, and also a lot easier for the worker to do the assembly.